Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P Smart Pro, and today I will show you how to put the device into the download mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is a Type-C cable connected to your computer, and have it ready somewhere on the side. And once that's ready, let me just place it somewhere. You want to power off your device, so hold the power key and select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now, once the device shuts off, you want to then plug it in. Just plug it in like so. Get a little bit more slack. There we go. And from here, you want to hold volume up and down and hold power key. Now once you see the Huawei logo, you can let go of the power and keep holding volume up and down. And you can see that we're now in the download mode. So the process will start. It will take several minutes. Just be patient. It will look like it's stuck on 5% for the basically majority of the time. And once it's finished, the device will automatically reboot. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and let's just unplug the device. We can put in the pin for our SIM card, okay, and the pattern, and we're now back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.